students. So your chapter 1 is completed. Hope you have done all your work in your notebooks, okay, and book exercises also. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, mountains and plateaus in India. You can see two pictures are given. First one is the mountain and second one is plateau. You can see the difference that mountains are covered with snow. They are cold. Of course, all the mountains are in cold area. And plateaus, it is a different kind of condition in which a land is quite high. Okay. Next one, mountains and plateaus in India. See, in this chapter we are going to study about the northern mountains, life in the Himalayas, the peninsular plateau, and life in the plateau region. Clear? Physical features. 6 physical features means 6 types of landforms you will get in India. कहीं पे mountains हैं, कुछ एरिया में northern plains हैं, in which you are living. जिस एरिया में आप रहते हो, that area is known as the northern plain. The peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateau क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि वो एक पेनिनसुला के शेप में आता है. Next one is the Indian desert and last one is the coastal plains. Last one are the islands. Second last are the coastal plains. Okay. Now you are going to study first two features. These two features about Himalayan mountains and the peninsular plateau. Northern plains, Indian desert, coastal plains, islands we will read in further chapter. Okay. See now. We shall learn what you are going to learn in this chapter about these two physical divisions, their divisions, how they are divided and what are the features, क्या क्या वहाँ पे और चीज़ें हमें मिलती हैं, that you are going to study. Next one, landforms of India. Of course we know that India is a vast country, बहुत बड़ी country है, तो आपको variety of landforms मिलेंगे. So it is a land with varied landforms. Our country has practically all major physical features of the earth, that is mountains, plains, desert, plateaus and islands. Mainly the features which we found on the whole earth that we are getting in India. Condition is not like that we are having only one physical feature or any two or any three or anything is left. No, everything you are getting here. You will get deserts also, mountains also, plain area also, plateaus also and islands also. Okay. So India is a large landmass formed during different geological periods which has influenced our relief. Means बहुत सारे अर्थ फॉर्मेशन में जब बहुत सारे जियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस हुए, जियोलॉजिकल पीरियड्स है, तो ऐसे लैंड फॉर्म भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स के फॉर्म होते गए. नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेस जैसे वेदरिंग हुआ, कहीं पे इरोजन हुआ, कहीं पे डिपोजिशन हुआ, ऐसे करके मॉडिफाइड द रिलीफ इट्स प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में डिफरेंट एंगल से लैंड फॉर्म्स हुए. ओके, एंड सो वी आर हैविंग वेराइटी ऑफ लैंड फॉर्म्स इन आर इंडिया. क्लियर? Now more I am going to tell you tomorrow. Today you will read the full chapter and try to understand, and please ask question if you have any problem. No one is asking that, so please read, please try to understand the things and be healthy. Thank you.